Hi everyone, I'm Rosie.
And I'm Carl.
And we are Flying Fluskey.
And we can you and me together. And we can you and me forever.
This is Hüsi Bierhaus and we are here this evening for some dinner, a quick brewery tour, a chocolate making workshop, and to try and learn to love beer. Maybe it's like wine, maybe we just need to learn more about it. Maybe it's just bread in a glass. Now I don't know if you can tell, but we are not big beer drinkers, so this is going to be an interesting experiment. Just down the road from the Hüsi Bierhaus is the Barrel Brewery, where the owner Sheppy gets to play around and create all kinds of craft beers that are served in the pub.
That is our Christmas double bock. This one here is a sour beer. So I love that flavour at this stage. It's got a little bit of funk in there. Really nice citrusy sourness. More sourness come into it, but develop the flavours a little bit more.
Yeah, I could get behind those, for sure. After trying a couple of the current brews, we head back to the restaurant to see what else was on offer.
Just having a little taste there. Let me give you a little bit of background about our place. So this one here is an apple cider. There's that in there, which I really love. This is super low bitterness, juicy, fruity hops in there. So just like almost drinking like a fruit shake. Kind of, almost.
This is the winner now. How very appropriate for Flying Fluskey. We were genuinely trying to learn and see if we could pick up on all of the tasting notes that Sheppy was telling us about.
For the flavour, you get a heap of all of the sugar, but a little bit of adds to the body of the beer as well.
Yeah, obviously the sweet fruity one was our favourite.
Okay, but how cute is that? Little blackberry cupcake and rhubarb. Ah!
It's dinner time. I have currywurst and Rosie has... Next up we have an Imperial stout, which we're not sure whether we're going to like, but we're going to give it a go. It is bourbon oak barrel brewed. It has flavours of chocolate and Madagascar vanilla. So we're going to try that to see if we can be converted. Everything we've tried so far has been good, so maybe this will be a winner.
Not bad. Okay, so beer's almost drunk. We are going to head across the road to Funky Chocolate, which is also owned by these guys, for a chocolate workshop. But first I have to wash the ribs off my fingers. Our Swiss chocolate lesson began with a history of chocolate and exploring all the different kinds that are commonly produced. Then we learnt about why Swiss chocolate is far superior to that elsewhere, and it all comes down to those happy alpine cows. We were each tasked with making 3 large chocolate bars, and that all began with tempering some chocolate.
That's my favourite song.
It's a banger. Double time.
Oh, look at that, that's beautiful.
It depends. If I have kids like to experiment. It's a tasty. Is it good? Yeah. Cool.
Now, admittedly, neither of us can cook, so this is probably not going to end that well. Or maybe we'll discover that we're master chocolatiers at heart and we should have been doing it all along. Probably not.
Good job. There's no size to it, you sport.
Yeah, like just from the maybe from the like
Oh, so brave.
up to. Take the stick there in the middle of the table, and you go outside to the middle.
Oh my god. Are you gonna eat your phone?
Yeah, no, I wouldn't.
I'm doing a 90s smiley face because the 90s are back. It's a massive spiral.
No, you weren't. What should I do before?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Here's the stick. Okay, so don't help me. That's
I
fine.
wasn't listening to the toppings.
What should we do?
So with this one, you need to draw it in. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful.
Wait, is this? I'm listening to the.
That's
I look like a salty chocolate. Should I salt this though?
Right, and then with that one, you just have to drag it right through the middle really carefully. Beautiful. Are you eating it? So this one's a transfer, so apparently that's gonna put the flowers on the chocolate. This one is crazy higgledy piggledy because all my decoration went wrong, so you know, just go with that. And this is the Matterhorn. Yay! Would you like to talk me through your chocolate?
This is flying Fluskey. This is a mix of patterns. And this is penguins.
That's some beautiful work. Look at that.
And then the flying Fluskey one, there's buried secret nibbles.
Is that why the writing's gone really
Yeah.
dodgy? 6 large bars of chocolate. Done.
I see a light, and we can